So ngicela sibuke the first product, which is garlic, Nutrilite garlic, 120 phakathi. Sibheke what are the benefits aka garlic as kusiqala le season eshintshayo na. So Nutrilite garlic wethu is very unique because awunayo leyo unpleasant odor. Uyayibona leyo unpleasant odor bakhona emlonyeni, and also uyi natural antibiotic. Lo Nutrilite garlic weight 120 phakathi, right? Good for flu, for cold and flu and sinus, and also abe good also cardiovascular health, hypertension, gut health. Uyayibona nje leyo nto ukuthi there are so many benefits, nami ngisho amancane kakhulu I improve i-immune system. So there are so many benefits. So ngithinteke, this is very good for the family. So this is the first one. Sengizoya ku second product as I've shown you ku video kuqala.